When you put your Y-axis cover, your brass tube, you want to have the column base on so you can use the hole through the column base to guide your brass tube. Put it through. You can use silicone. This is goop, it's E6000. And all you want to do, it's a snug fit into the saddle. So most of the time, this fit right here will be enough to keep it in place when your axis is moving back and forth and it won't go anywhere. To make sure that it doesn't come out, you put silicone or goop onto it, and you just want to put a little bit on here. Put it around like that. Take your finger and spread it out so it's nice and thin on that area. Don't get it up towards the front. Do it back here about a ½ inch or more back. That way there's no way it's going to get onto the ball screw at all. Okay, then you just guide it in. If you feel resistance, which you might, get a piece of wood and push the piece of wood, or tap the piece of wood with a hammer and just push it in. It only has to go in 3/4 of an inch to be in place and staying there. Now it's guaranteed that moving back and forth that this is not going to come out of there now.